Good morning and happy Friday. Thank you, students at home, for your work this week. I'm proud of you and I'm thankful for you. I pray that you have a good day. So let's get started with what I need you to do today. On Wednesday, Thursday, whenever you had class with me, we talked about the Great Plains. Okay, we read on page 80 and 81 about the Great Plains. One of the big historical events of the Great Plains was the Dust Bowl of the 1930s. And we're gonna kind of dive into the Dust Bowl a little bit deeper today. So the first item on your agenda is to read the attached Scholastic article about a girl named Catherine and her Black Sunday experience. Okay, that day, April 14, 1935, when there was a huge dust storm, is known as Black Sunday. And so you're going to read about her firsthand experience. She's still living and gave an interview with Scholastic. So go ahead and open up the attached article down here and read that. I would suggest to have your questions open as you're reading as well. So there are just 3 questions on the attached assignment that I'd like you to read or answer, as you read. Okay, so that's item number 1. Read the attached article about the Dust Bowl article and answer the questions as you read. Then we're going to dive even deeper into it. I want you to watch this video. Okay, so here's the link to the video and answer some questions as you watch the video about the Dust Bowl. Now, this video gives you a little information about time before the Dust Bowl and then where these people who lost their farms, where they migrated to. They all migrated to California looking for different work. So the video gives you a little bit bigger picture of the Dust Bowl than what the article does. Okay, so as you're watching the video, again, you're going to answer a few questions. Okay, list 2 things that you saw in the video that you also read about in the reading. Okay, the video is going to talk about Black Sunday too. So there's going to be some facts where you're like, oh, I just read that. So write those 2 facts here. But you're also going to learn some new things about the Dust Bowl that weren't in the article. So write 3 things that you learned in the video that you didn't know with the reading. Okay, and that's all I'm going to have for you to do today. It's Friday, so it's a skinny day. So we only have class for about 37 minutes. So that should keep you busy learning about a great, well, not great, but an important part of our history here in the United States. So if you would then hit submit, and you are done. Okay, have a great weekend. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'm eager to help. Prayers for a great weekend.